Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Robinhood restricted account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here we are in the Robinhood sports articles. And basically this chapter or this article is about account restrictions. And as you can see, those are the reason why your account might be restricted in trading in Robinhood. So either for company control person reasons or bank transfer reversal, and make sure uh, to ensure successful transfers, etc., by having enough funds, etc. Or you can have incorrect or outdated account information that you can update in your profile, etc. Or you can have some fraud inquiry or account levies. So basically, all you need to do is just uh, to contact the support, since the steps to remove an account restriction will depend on your specific restriction. So basically, all you need to do is just to include covering any negative balance and potentially uploading any requested documents. So the simple way is just to go to the support and contact support so you can unrestrict your account. So you can go to your account, and from there you can go to the help, and then it will take you to the help center. So simply you will need just to go to Robinhood support, and then you will need just uh, contact the support. So you can just click on contact chat support or contact chat. And from there you'll find the help center, which is this one. And what we want is the support chat. And from here you will be able to contact agents or the support agents of Robinhood. So basically just type restrictions, and then the virtual assistant will take you to uh, contact a support agent, and then you can talk with them and unrestrict your account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.